Videos like this are blowing up across TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, getting millions of views, thousands of comments, and non-stop engagement. These AI-powered motorcycle POV videos are dominating social media right now. And here's the crazy part. Channels posting these videos aren't just getting views, they're making serious money. With this kind of engagement, they're easily pulling in over $10,000 per month from ad revenue, brand deals, and sponsorships. This niche is not saturated. AI-generated motorcycle POV content is still fresh on YouTube, meaning there's a massive opportunity for you to get in early and build a channel that could explode. And the best part is that you don't need high-end editing software, expensive tools, or even prior experience in video creation. Everything I'm about to show you can be done using completely free AI tools. No complicated setups, no subscriptions, just a few simple steps to create videos that can go viral. So if you've ever wanted to start a YouTube channel and actually make money from viral content, this is your moment. Stick with me because you don't want to miss any steps. Now let's get started. The first and most important step in creating these viral AI-generated motorcycle POV videos is getting the perfect image prompt. The quality of your prompt determines how realistic and engaging your final visuals will be. But don't worry, I've made this part super easy for you. I've put together a Google Doc packed with ready-to-use, high-quality prompts that you can use to generate your own unique image prompt with different POV motorcyclist scenes. You'll find the link to the Google Doc in the description below, so make sure to check it out. And if you've made it this far into the video, take a second to hit that like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm push this video to more creators like you. Now let's jump back in. Head over to the Google Doc linked in the description and copy the pre-written image prompt. Open up ChatGPT and paste the copied prompt into the chat. This prompt will instruct ChatGPT to create 6 new variations of a POV motorcyclist in different dynamic settings, all inspired by the example provided in the pre-written prompt. Then hit enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will generate detailed, immersive prompts based on the example. Review them carefully and choose the one that best fits your vision. If none of the generated prompts feel quite right, don't worry. Simply ask ChatGPT for more variations until you find the perfect scene. This step is key to making your AI-generated footage look unique and engaging, so take your time experimenting with different prompts. Now that we have our prompt, the next step is to generate our image. For this, we'll be using Ideogram. Go over to your browser and search for ideogram.ai. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and sign up. It only takes a few minutes. Once you're in, click on the plus icon to open the image creation interface. Before generating the image, it's important to adjust the settings to get the best possible results. Start by changing the style to realistic. This ensures the AI generates high-quality, lifelike visuals that feel authentic and immersive. Next, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is perfect for vertical videos on platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. This way, your final content will look polished and optimized for mobile viewing. Now it's time to apply the prompt. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the POV motorcyclist prompt you've chosen, and paste it into Ideogram's prompt box. Then hit generate and let Ideogram do its thing. In just a few seconds, Ideogram will produce 4 different variations of your scene. Each one will have slight differences, giving you a range of options to choose from. Take your time going through them. Sometimes one of the images will be exactly what you're looking for, but if none of them quite capture what you're envisioning, simply regenerate to create another set of variations. You can do this as many times as needed until Ideogram gives you the perfect image that matches your vision. Once you've found the perfect image, download it to your device. The next step is to bring our image to life by transforming it into a dynamic video. To do this, we'll be using Kling AI. Start by opening Kling AI. If you haven't signed up yet, take a moment to create an account. Once you're logged in, click on the plus icon, then select Image to Video to open the animation interface. In the Frame section, click Upload and select the POV image you created earlier. For the animation to turn out as realistic and cinematic as possible, Kling AI needs clear instructions. This is where the prompt section comes in. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the exact prompt you used to generate the image, and paste it into Kling AI. This ensures that the animation stays true to the original concept and maintains consistency in details like perspective, lighting, and motion dynamics. Click on Settings and change the mode to Standard. This speeds up the generation process. Then, set the duration to 10 seconds. Once everything is set, click Generate and let Kling AI work its magic. The AI will process the image and bring it to life, adding motion to the background, subtle camera movements, and dynamic elements that make it feel like an actual video shot from a real motorcycle ride. After a short wait, the animation will be ready. Take a moment to preview the results. If everything looks great, download the video to your device. Before moving on to the next step, we need to extend our video because 10 seconds simply isn't enough to capture the full experience. To keep the flow seamless and make the transition between clips unnoticeable, we need to create a perfectly connected continuation. Start by opening the video you just downloaded. Go to the very end of the clip and take a screenshot of the last frame. This final frame is crucial because it ensures that the next clip picks up exactly where the previous one ends, making the transition feel smooth and natural. After taking the screenshot, crop it carefully to focus on the key visual elements, then save it to your device. Next, head back to Kling AI. Upload the newly captured image. In the prompt field, keep it simple and direct. Type "Motorcyclist keeps driving." This instruction tells Kling AI to maintain the flow of the ride and extend the journey smoothly. Before hitting generate, double-check the settings. Make sure the mode is set to standard for faster generation, and keep the duration at 10 seconds. Just like the previous clip. Once everything looks good, hit generate and let Kling AI work its magic again. It will process the prompt and the new frame, creating a seamless continuation that blends perfectly with the first clip. When the second clip is ready, preview it. Download the second video to your device. The next step is to get the perfect background music to enhance the feel of our video. We're going to create a custom background music that matches the mood and energy of our scene. For this, we'll be using Suno. Go over to your browser and search for suno.com. If you don't already have an account, take a moment to sign up. Once you're in, click on the music icon to access the music creation interface. To generate the perfect track, we'll first need lyrics. Head over to ChatGPT and ask it to generate short lyrics that fit the mood of your scene. Then click Enter, and ChatGPT will provide the perfect lyrics for you. Copy them and return to Suno. Paste them into the lyrics box. Next, we need to select the right music style. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it to give you a style of music. Then click Enter, and ChatGPT will suggest the perfect style. Copy the music style it provides and return to Suno, then paste it into the style selection box. Now give your track a title, then click Create and let Suno do the rest. The AI will generate a fully produced soundtrack based on your lyrics and selected style. Once the process is complete, Suno will generate 2 different music tracks for you to choose from. Take a moment to listen to both versions.
Rolling through the mountain air.
Now download the one you prefer to your device. Now that we have all the elements ready, the last step is to bring them together with editing. For this, we will use CapCut. Start by opening CapCut, then click on New Project and import the AI-generated videos into the timeline, making sure they are arranged in the correct order. The goal is to ensure that the transition between clips is smooth, so that it feels like one continuous ride rather than separate videos stitched together. Next, click on Aspect Ratio and adjust it to 9:16. This vertical format is ideal for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. If any of the clips contain unwanted watermarks or logos, click on the clip and slightly stretch it until the watermark disappears. Then repeat this process for the other clip to ensure consistency across the entire video. Next, we add sound effects. Click on Audio, then select Sound Effects and search for motorcycle sound effects. There will be a variety of sounds to choose from. Take your time browsing through the available options and pick the ones that best match your scene. Once selected, adjust the volume slightly so the sound effects blend naturally rather than overpowering the scene. Then place the sound effects throughout the timeline, making sure they are in sync with the movement in the video. Now it's time to add the background music that we created earlier. Click on Audio, then import the custom track we generated. Position it in the timeline carefully, ensuring that it aligns with the energy and pacing of the video. Once all the edits are complete, watch the entire video from start to finish to check for any inconsistencies. If you're satisfied with the edit, click on Export, then increase the video resolution to 4K to ensure the highest possible quality, and download the video to your device. Now let's take a look at our final result. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments section.